And believe me, you all can do it. You can achieve it. If you dream it, you can achieve it. Serving as a chemistry faculty at Chandigarh Defence Academy, and I'm serving chemistry from more than 20 years, sir.
That's really a great, huge experience, sir. And would love to know more from you as you have been training NDA students from so far, from so long. If I ask you, like, what inspired you to become a teacher, especially for NDA aspirants?
See, sir, the most important thing which have given me the motivation to select this profession is that really I want to help those children basically, because during my study time, I've seen that students are really want to learn more and more, but they want some easy ways. They want some methods basically by which they can really grasp everything very fastly and they can pick up more and more basically into any subject. So the things which I have faced as a student in my hardship during my student life, I want those hardships should not be faced by the student in nowadays life.
Okay, that is really a great way to reach out and help the students to achieve their dreams. But as we see this, as a student or as a candidate, as an aspirant towards NDA, the journey is very hard. But as a teacher, also you have to put, if the student is putting 100%, then you have to put 200% in that. So if I ask, like, what is the most rewarding part of teaching future defense officers?
See, sir, the most important part is, see, we know that teachers are the nation builders. And as we know, the defense is such a profession, sir, that which brings so much pride, dignity, and honor. So when we are basically preparing those students to serve the nation, obviously at the forefront, because everybody is serving the nation. But see, the defense persons, they are at the forefront, sir. So this is the biggest motivation for us, that we should prepare our future lad, our obviously, because our country will some time it will become the superpower of the world. So that will obviously be possible when our youth will be channelized into right direction.
Exactly. That's really wonderfully approach towards the students' preparation. But moreover, as this defense line, this journey needs to have one more thing which is very important, that is to stay disciplined and motivated. So how do you ensure that students stay disciplined throughout this journey?
See, because first of all, basically because we are keeping the students in the boarding facility also with us for the 2 years of +1 and +2. So most important part is we have to make a bond with those students because they are away from their parents. They are on this path. They want to achieve this dream. But the sacrifice which they have to do, we have to keep them motivated for them. We have to tell them again and again that your dream is to serve this country. And obviously to become a future officer, you have to really put in that extra hard work. So we just tell them 2, 3 basic things, because we tell them to be honest with themselves. They should have the integrity because that is the biggest part, obviously, if you want to be successful in life. And they should always push their limits because till the time they are not attaining the success, they should definitely push their limits. And that's what NDA exam want from the aspirants, sir.
Exactly, sir. I do agree with you as pushing the limits or having integrity is an important, playing an integral role in the journey. But the people, the students who are watching you right now, if you want to mention one quality that you look after, that you see in an NDA aspirant and they must develop, then what would that be?
See, sir, I always say, first of all, they should have the decision-making ability. They should take a decision that I want to be a future officer. And second thing, they should be that much dedicated. Because if they are dedicated towards their goal, definitely they will 101% achieve it. So they should have a full faith in their decision-making. They should have full dedication. And as you have told them, sir, discipline is the most important part. Because if they will remain disciplined, definitely they will definitely achieve the path of success, sir.
Really understand the part which you are putting emphasis over the discipline. But like in this 20 years of experience, when meeting with new students, some are serving the country, some are still struggling, some are still preparing. Can you just share a small success story of a student that really made you proud?
See, sir, there are so many success stories which I can share with you, but right now, because you have a limited time, I'll simply say I've seen some students which have really cracked ND in first attempt. So that is a big thing, obviously. I can show you some student like there is this Akshdeep Singh is there, who has really came, obviously, in the first attempt, he has cleared the, obviously, and he is right now into ND Khadakwasla, sir, and he is to Indian Navy, sir. He has opted for Indian Navy. Then there are some students, sir, like Cadet Manpreet Singh, if I take a name, he was a cadet who was not successful in the first attempt. But in the second attempt, he has given his level best effort and he is now basically into Indian Air Force. So that is again a big success story, sir. Then there are some stories like this also, sir. Some students which were not able to do it in 2 attempts, they have given their level best in the third attempt. And then they have get into the defense forces. So main point, I think, of discussing these things is, sir, that the student should always aim for success And he should remember this. He or she should remember that obviously so many aspirants are working hard to achieve that dream. So they have to do that extra effort. They have to give in that extra effort to obviously achieve that success. So obviously that, as I've told you earlier, they have to push their limits, because Indian Defense Services, serving Indian Defense Services is such a big pride and honor, sir. And it cannot be possible for somebody who can be an mediocre. I think aspirants should know that NDA needs an all-rounder. They want a student to be good in obviously physical activities also. He should be good into academic part also, and he should have those leadering abilities. He should be able to lead those cadets, because those troops. And that's why basically this is the only field, I think you will agree with me that, sir. This is an all-rounder. This is not a topper field, sir. They don't need an academically topper student. They need a student with complete dedication and decision making and the honesty with which they want to serve this great nation, sir.
Exactly, sir. That's really so right of you. I totally agree with you that the cadet has to be totally versatile in his approach. And looking at your energy, I can still feel that enthusiasm in you. And I'm pretty much sure that all the cadets who are preparing for the armed forces will definitely do well in their life.
At Chandigarh Defense Academy, each and every faculty member is really putting up very much hard effort, and they're really not basically achieving the dreams of the cadet. They are fulfilling their dreams, obviously, to serve this nation through the cadet. So this is all our faculty members will be as energetic as you have seen me, and they have that motivation, they have that connect, they have those emotional connect with the cadets that they really want to succeed in this basically journey of NDA Khadagbasla. Definitely want to give a message that you should follow your dream. You have to follow your dream, and you have to push your limits. And believe me, you all can do it. You can achieve it. If you dream it, you can achieve it. So give your level best. I will wish you all best of luck for the future NDA exams, and give your level best. Jai Hind. God bless you all.